2021 glow season. Welcome to my channel, clickety clack. Don't forget to double tap, like, subscribe, comment, and follow. Let me know what you think, cause we finna get lit. You already know. Welcome to my channel. Body that. Like dang, too sweet. Okay, let's do that. Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. So right here I'm just showing you a quick video on how I got my wig to go back to, like, it's little wet and wavy deep curls. Now I will admit I didn't do a perfect job because I was in a rush, but I just want to show you what I did. I did just brush it out real good and make sure I combed out the previous curls from the flex fries I had. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out because I did make a video about that. But right here, I'm just detangling the hair, and then I spray it with my conditioner and water, and I try to just get it really moisturized and sprayed and damped as much as I can. Honestly, to be real, if I had more time, I would have did better, but the more wet the hair, the more revived of the natural stage it goes back to. So I end up just running like my head under some water without, like, touching the front part or getting it wet. And I kept spraying it with my conditioner water, and as you can see, the curls start coming back. Like I said, I wanted to give a nice little hairstyle, so I just gave it a little part. As you can see, the glue right there is still there, so I try to lift it up, and I use my mousse to slick it down. I'm going to use my freeze spray to give it a little hold, put my headscarf to hold it down, put a little accessories, and as you see more in the video, I gave myself a nice little style to just revive my wig back for now. But when I get a chance, I will be doing another wash day, and with that wash day I will try to do a braid out to see how the hair will look to do some braid outs. But as you can see, taking the time to just do a little cute style, you could bring it back and revive it. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope that it helps someone, for anyone that's like in a rush or needed to bring their wig back. And there you have it. Cause lately I feel like it's me versus me. Don't see competition, so would you compete? Don't even gotta be woke. Still gonna be ya. I make a back of my sleep. Cause like dang, too sweet.